This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is July 29th. 2019. This one here I got a call for AC not cooling properly. So we'll go over there. I think she got an older system over there, an old R22 system. An older lady. I'll have to crawl up in the attic, check the filter situation, and run it. I think she got a leaker over there. She's got a leaker, Mama. She's got a leaker. Oh yeah, you're a leaker too. You're a leaker too. You love to leak. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. Maybe. We'll have to go by and see. She called me on Friday, late Friday. So I told her I'd go by there Monday morning. See if she's probably had it running all weekend. It might be an ice cube. We'll see. It might be an ice cube. It's not iced up, so.
It's not?
No.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, that is really good.
Because I had it, you know, covered all winter.
You did?
Yeah.
Coil don't look that dirty, to be honest with you. Alright, so we got to check the filters outside, then we could run it and check the charge. So it's been cooling.
Yeah, it seems to be. At first, I don't know, maybe it was because it was so muggy and humid, I couldn't tell. But then I thought it best to have it checked anyway, be on the safe side.
Yeah, she's definitely dirty. I got new ones here. I bought a couple, I think. I bought a couple of them last year for the lady, I think. That one's definitely dirty. We got a pan full of water here. The old Ted Cook trick. I'm going to try that. There is a line going outside, but it's way up. I need like a 8-foot ladder, 10-foot ladder to get it. So I'm gonna just try this Ted Cook trick. Seen it in one of his videos. All right, so we got that. Change the filter. We'll get this water out of it. I could pull a vacuum on this one outside, but I'll show you. But that one's kind of high. We'll see if we can get this thing to siphon. Alright, so your dog's going to attack my line, no?
No. No. They're just nosy.
So it's basically just draining that pan down.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see the ladder, I need like an 8-foot ladder, and it's just easier to do it this way.
That's the only size I have.
Alright, so I got to vacuum that other. Is there a window here I could throw a cord? Can I get power out there to the back? Is there power out there somewhere?
There is around the house on the side.
Okay, I'll have to, because I got to get my vacuum and then we'll run it. Guys, I don't know if you can see that little piece way up there, but that's that little thing that I couldn't get to, but the drain comes down. And it goes to this flipping hose. I don't know where the hose goes, but that's something crawling around on here, right here. Here's the hose. I'll put the vacuum to it and see what happens. mama. We'll have to check the charge on it now. Wasn't a lot in that trap. Probably just icing up or pans rotted. I'd like to get that clear up there, but I ain't gonna get my ladder out. Alright. Where's the thermostat?
Over here.
Now, I don't know if that pan is rotted inside the unit. I mean, it's an older unit. Yeah. Turn it on and turn it down. What do you got it set at? It seems kind of cool in here.
Yeah, it is.
Turn it down so it don't shut off. I'll check the charge.
Okay.
Yeah, that thing works pretty good, huh? That little drain. I'll check the charge outside. Probably a little bit low on Freon or refrigerant. Probably a little low. Coil's not crazy dirty. Could use a good hosing though. Let's see what we got for superheats. No Armstrong. See it leaking right there? I gotta change that straight core. See if I get my core remover tool. I got the core removing tool and I got some Schrader cores. Let's see if we can change it. You can see it leaking, right? Hopefully we can. Hopefully. See if it'll come out. Boy. I think I got it. No, I didn't. Not yet there, Mama. Gotta kind of push in on that baby. A lot of pressure there. It's under a lot of pressure. Let's see if that does it. Hope so. Okay. Yep. I'll put a new one in and try it. These are the ones I like. The C&Ds are good. I did have caps on there last year, but obviously look like they're leaking. She's a leaker, Mama. She's a leaker. C&D makes a good one too. Appion makes a good one. You want to get it so it's tight, right? No, I don't know. There was some kind of critter over here when I came over here. She took off. Alright, that looks better. Can you see that? I don't know if you could even see that, but she's a shit show, Mama. I hope this one ain't bad, because that's going to be a problem to change it because of that cord. Alright, The low one's okay. So let's get our gauges on there and see what's happening with the pressures. Probably gonna need Freon. Not gonna need refrigerant. What a bitch. Get that thing on there, huh? What do you do, jeez? Why do you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. Pain in the ass. Alright, we'll turn it on and we'll check it. Alright, let's start it up and let's see what happens. I mean, that's way too high. Gotta bring that down. See, the suction pressure's low. That soup heat's gotta come down. That's below freezing right there, probably iced up. So we'll put some Freon in it, some refrigerant. Alright, so I got my hose here, I bleed it back here, get the air out. So what are we, 57? We'll give it some refrigerant. 22, 57, right around freezing there, see it? 57 is right around freezing, so that could ice up. We're gonna have to give this thing a deal how you doing with the holes too on the way out. But it is a superheat down about 20. Stay like this. Not too concerned about checking this the wet bulb because it is a leaker. I think I was here last year, the year before, and I did put these caps on there, so. We'll give it a little attention. Little how you doing? We'll be on our way. She really needs a new system here. I mean, this sucker's old. He's an old beast. Change the filter. Probably take a pound and a half or something on it, a couple of pounds. I'll weigh it when I'm done. Don't want to overshoot it, so put a little in, let it stabilize. My superheat's where I want it, but look at the head pressure, 380. So we're going to hit the coil with the hose and see if we can bring that down. 380. Yeehaw. Obviously, you want to get in there and get, if there's any dirt, you want to get it out, right? I'm going to go around and do the whole thing good. And we'll take a look at it again. Guys, I did shut it off and I hit it really good with the hose. We'll try it again. I did pop that plastic hose off of there. I want to make sure it's coming down. It's dripping. I'm getting a good, a good drain out of the thing. I sprayed it all. The coil's all cold right now, so with the cold water, so it's going to affect the charge. We'll let it come up to speed and might have to add some more. Must have iced up. I did vacuum that pan out. Change the filter. Alright, no Taj Mahal here, mama. We got Armstrong. It's an old unit, man. It's an old unit. Yeah, might get another year out of it. Drain, pick up my hose and get out of here. We'll check the charge. It's running out there. Let it stabilize.
Cheap dance hall floozy that men stare at and fall over and try to.
And I'm asking for your help. I'm not here to marry you.
Definitely going to work better now.
Huh?
I cleaned the coil outside.
Yeah.
The secondary pin up in the attic was full of water, but you see me drain it out.
Right,
You're not supposed to have water in there. It might have iced up.
Oh.
But I didn't see. I cleaned the drain out.
Yeah.
And I'm putting Freon in. I cleaned the outside coil.
Okay.
I had to change one of the the reefer valves outside was leaking a little, so I changed that.
Oh, thank you.
So we'll set the charge and we'll let it go. I mean, it's an older equipment, but it's still working, right?
Yeah.
I changed the filter upstairs. 62 wet bulb and 85 outside. See what our superheat should be. I'm going to put a pull tie right there. So 62 indoor wet bulb, 85 outside. I should be 8, right? That's right where I'm at, right there. 70-degree suction. My subcool's still a little high, but it's not 350 no more. It came down, so really should clean that coil before you charge anything. I mean, that's the right way of doing it, but that's right where my charge should be. We'll take them off, put the caps back on, and we're good to go. I don't know what the story is. I think I iced up, but time will tell. Back on there good. Oh, flipping snake. That's what it was. That flipping took off on me. It was a garter snake. Scared the shit out of me. That should start dripping pretty soon. That snake scared the shit out of me. That's why it was moving so fast. Flipping snake. Yo, how you doing, Mama? Give it to you, how you doing? I'm gonna leave that thing off. There's a snake in here somewhere. Bugger. Scared me. It's an Armstrong. What he's doing, he's laying right on that silver thing and warming up. Probably living inside of this thing. You waiting for me? Are you waiting for me? Yeah, you missed Daddy. I know you did. Yeah, you missed Daddy. Oh, I know, yeah, you missed Daddy. You love Daddy. All right, push over. Make some room for me. You gotta go to the next big job here. Come on, you gotta make your keep.